Okay. Okay. So hari ni I try to mention macam mana tu isu e-invoice punya purpose dulu lah. Okay. Dengan stock item code semua lah. Yang hari tu yang cakapnya loh. Okay. You orang ada sendiri punya ID dengan password. Sendiri login juga each sendiri punya ID password loh. I login ini ya untuk sebagai demo contoh. So first thing, ini tak banyak sangat, tutup sikit. Ini macam tu. Okay, so apa kelayakan you nak request e-invoice atau submit sale bill? Kepentingan adalah data customer, maklumat information ada complete atau tidak. Example, macam ni, 7-Eleven Malaysia, dia dapat layak e-invoice tak? Tak layak. Apa kelayakan? Maklumat information mesti nak fill in nama, register number atau IC number, TIN number, address, tiga lain lah, complete ni. Bukan itu apply semua. You delete P dekat city lah. Alamat isu complete dekat sini. Tiga lain saja cukup. City, apply, example itu saya city, postal code, state, mesti nak isi. Okay? Country pun nak, until phone number. So, from left hand side, nama until phone number must be compulsory. Okay? Okay, sorry ah. Okay, I change again ah. Okay, so why is the e-invoice purpose for you need to submit e-invoice Because you need to qualify it. What is can be submit the e-invoice. First thing, the debtor name, TIN number, register number, address, you all must be fill it up completely. Like this one example. Okay. So the name, register number got type can be chosen for some of the field. If let's say it's a register number, it's a business register, you fill in. If let's say IC, you fill in IC. Passport, you fill in passport. Army number, if you have got, you choose the army number lah. Okay. So the ID number need to fill in what? If let's say company, you fill in company register number loh. IC, you fill in the IC number or passport number or for army number. Okay. So how about the TIN? I'm not sure. If let's say this one got the TIN number, so how do I check? I think this one is IC lah. You IC first lah. Okay. If let's say this one, he give you the IC number only. I don't know what about TIN number or never mind. He give me the IC number first. Enough. So I can be happy to click the checkbox. So here can be automatic capture detect the one information or let's say for personal one okay, personal name. Let's say for company one, company, example this one company, you just fill in for business register number. One new one, I don't know, but I know it's a 12-digit number, must be new one. How we can say about one new one? One new one, like example just now got talking about the 7-Eleven, right? Okay. So another one, call this one. Calling about the register number. Okay. We are please. Or some of the thing got this one, the number right. Like this one, right? We can say like that. This is also is a new one also lah. Or because follow like SSM the information. You can fill like that, or you just fill in the 12-digit number only enough also okay. No problem. The important one is in front 12-digit number. Okay. So here side, if I say customer don't know if the thing is correct or not, I don't know. Also, it might correct first. After that, you click the checkbox. It will help you to check the status detail. The thing number, you can double check. If let's say your customer or supplier give you the something incomplete the information or wrong the number, the information, you please tell us first before you issue the invoice. If let's say some of the key wrongly, I will say, hey, you give me to cannot get the about this what how to claim. I also don't know. So this one, you must be give the correct the information. Because just now government will say, let's say this one the TIN number sent to the another the one the people. We also don't know this document still can be claimed or not. This is a question by suppose logic is cannot the wrong information is wrong. Okay. So the important one spray the name or not. I'm not sure that they say put the other name, TIN number, but supposedly must be put in the correct the name number. All the information must be same the person better Okay. Because the FAQ guideline no mention anything for specific need to compulsory. It's all the same the information Okay. Maybe after launch for the next year, maybe got the FAQ also got change anything. So we try and see Okay. So address the city postal code you must be filled in. Why some of things can need to fill in, some of things say no need to fill in. For the postal code side Or postal code side temporary we can say government temporary is a temporary disabled can be blank. Or maximum 5 digit. Because the not in the Malaysia country is more of the postal code or some of the don't know the postal code. So actually this postal code government is visible first only. Government. Tapi betul government process. Okay. So please follow the okay. Country, choose your current country. Okay. Phone number. You see the government supposedly is just for the plus the symbol only like example plus 06012497928. If the second the uh, can be available submit to e-invoice. Uh that's a symbol support but temporary can no problem. Because programmer got auto with the e-invoice side will auto remove the dash the space one. If let's say some of the thing inside middle one, the space one, right? Okay. This one also can, no problem. So our master just allowed for phone number side is a plus, minus, and space only at the moment. Other thing like you got fusing the bracket, hunger, or whatever thing this one cannot submit, must be got error, cannot be submitted. Okay. If let's say got many phone number, you just for capture one number only in here. Okay. So how about second phone number? It's put in the second row or more of the thing Okay. Fax number, no capture. Email address, you must put our standard address. Okay. Why it's called standard? How to say like standard? This one control where okay. Standard one is like HTTP www dot all the thing is standard email This one is not standard because it's not the actual that what called the website or it's called not called about the Okay. Like this one got example like something alliance.com or .com.my lah, or wearing the web server or the thing lah. Oh, okay. So also email just fill in for one email only. Let's say you need to fill in more like this one. Before that, you can call like this one, can be extra add-on, continue one. You first column, you no need. You fill in the second column. Second column, you can fill in more of the email, also no problem. Okay. This one, lion@gmail.com, or you can put in like that, acc@gmail.com. Here side, no problem. But the first column, cannot. First column, just one column email only enough. Okay. Because government letter got changed or something. Because it capture for the first line for the email only. If let's say no email, how to do? Can be blank, no problem. Because FAQ side or the that one side can be email, can be blank, no problem. And then guideline also say, if let's say no email, can be blank, also can, no problem. Just for phone number cannot be blank, compulsory need. Okay. So the other thing is a query control, branch, contact, you can extra contact or you fill inside lah. Okay. Okay, for Sendian Berhad, we can direct to check the team number. How about the enterprise? Okay, we choose about the example lah. Let's say this one can be checked, right? Let's say the information sum of the enterprise cannot be checked, how to solve? So it must be verified your customer. Make sure the information is correct because some of the company is a sole provider or the partnership, or some of the case is like the give the information is don't know, maybe it say like partnership or sole provider. I also forget I think this one. Never mind. You can ask. If let's say for sole provider, can try to ask the customer can give an IC or not. If let's say he don't want to give you the IC, never mind. You don't need to give the IC is okay one. You give me the company register number and the actual team number to me only enough. I just manually fill in, tick only. After that, I will check again. Check the status is valid or not only. If they say valid, no problem. This one should be okay. Okay. So for other thing, another company maybe got to give you the some another one that like QR lah, QR information lah, because he need to you buy something ma. So you ask them to give the your company information or the detail. I think I too hard to work with for you lah. Giving the QR, so that we talk about the next player QR. The LSPA side can be generated for QR the company now. Try to take the one is the side the QR. Here side the QR. You can using for barcode to scanner to scan lah. You can scan it or you can load the file. Let's check my file. I got file inside or not. If it's not, I send it. Wait a moment. Okay, my invoice QR. Okay, I got this one QR. When load, you will auto come. All the detailed information will come in. That is called a taxpayer QR. If let's say got the customer give you the taxpayer QR, you can click the QR, scan or ask them to send to file to you. You just load this one, the picture only lah. What is the picture one? I show you the taxpayer QR. Okay. This is like sample. My invoice taxpayer QR. Okay. So this is about the sample information. After that, you try to save only lah. Okay. So how about supplier? Same all the thing. Okay. Same all the thing, the design. Just person want to know about the MSIC code only. Okay. So some of the people sell you something or rental something, you say don't anything the MSIC code, you can put in 510 lah. Or let's say don't know about the information lah. If you say no already, you just fill in the MSIC code. Yeah. Next, E-invoice classification. E-invoice classification is not necessary to in. Or some of the special case can be direct to you only. Example, let's say the foreign supplier, you import the product, you buy the product to your foreign supplier. Then this foreign supplier every time is purchased in is direct is a split issue shell bill. You can fill in the issue shell bill what is a classification code beside. It's under is a shell bill which one the part. Okay. For importation code or important service or other or betting gaming or some of the thing lah, depends on your the term and condition your category lah okay. Let's say you buy of a goods to Malaysia, you choose import the goods or service is a service case. Okay. For this all the information where I can check, where I can know, you can go to the Google search, you can go to the E-invoice FAQ, you can go to the Google and ask question. Inside all the thing, got the general guide and specified the one of these two especially for industry guide industry guide for this some of the industry of the information I can review it. Okay. Let's say for the FAQ side, general ask question okay. Just now FAQ is already update on 9th of July. Okay. So all the detailed information got updating. You can learn about question and answer the information Maybe hope you need to understand all the thing the information in the this FAQ Oh, okay. Next, all the setting is correct already, done already. Let's say Okay. For state 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 I special mention first Before that, because state is using for all state, but now government got change something. You're not using for all state already. Using for not applicable for not Malaysia country. Okay. Or just under not applicable. Okay. Phone number also cannot say like C must be number. Let's say no phone number, how to do? Never mind, minimum 8 digit of the zero. You can put it like this. If I say no phone number okay, minimum 8 digit for the numbering. Okay. Put in Apple zero, no problem. Okay. So try to save it. Okay. Okay. This is called all the setting the information Okay. For those supplier, some of the foreign company how to do. Okay, foreign company debtor and creditor also forget just now I got so something miss already because too long. Okay. So here got the 3 point inside, right? For the debtor customer side. 3 point inside can be captured that Malaysia business, foreign business, Malaysia individual, and non-Malaysia individual. So if let's say foreign business, we don't know the TIN number, you just take use default only enough. Then got register number or not? Let's say not, just take use default to directly fill in only. That's all enough. For debtor is for export purpose only, no? Okay. For import, how about the import is a purchase one? We also split the trigger point. Malaysia business, foreign business, same category is type the same. Let's say no, the TIN number, you just take default. If let's say got register number or not, let's say got if you in. No, you just take on it. Okay. Just for foreign case only on this case. For foreign business or foreign individual. Okay. Okay. So the debtor, creditor, all side got any question need to ask for the about the information before you issue the e-invoice and or submit sale bill? Got any question need to ask? Got any question or not? If let's say no, you please click no lah. Or Okay. No, the rest understand all the thing now. Okay. So let's say the rest all understanding. Okay, let's another one. We need to talk about the item code. Okay. For the item code, we cost go to the stock item. You can fill in your stock code, all the thing, the information. Okay. Whatever you can fill in your code or barcode, unit, pricing. Before that, if let's say you got know all the information, also know to how to key in, how to set up the code. It's okay one, no problem. Oh. Another one is a very important related about the E-invoice is a classification. Classification related for what? For this one, E-invoice classification. Okay. How come just now supplier got classification? This come for the classification again. Okay. I need that classification supposed need to follow by the item code. It's not followed by debtor operator. It's followed by item code. Why just now for greater case got special thing? Because he can get up to the first priority lah. Because for sell bill, need to submit sell bill that one must be compulsory using for the sell bill invoice. Or the sell bill, the code is a different one. Okay. Let's say the supplier give you the local company, give you the e-invoice, you follow the normal, the classification code only. So what is the actual classification you currently now? Anyone know the which one your category part got related, got something or not? Got construction material or not? This got here in the group one? No, right? If I say no, maybe you can refer that. What is the classification inside got have? Place fitting or computer smart consolidate disbursement got or not? Donation got or not? Or this one other thing, internet building, all the thing got related or not? Let's say not at the list 44 code, no. You can fill in another one. Is the last one. The code is a 022. We call number 45 lah, because he jumping in the middle. Okay. So we call this one is a code 45 lah. Okay. So you can fill in about other. They say some is a really one got the list related one. You must be filling the related the classification code Okay. So after that done save. Okay. That's all. For the three important notes. Okay. Debtor, creditor, and item. What is a qualified? You can submit invoice. Just now we do. Try and see. First one. Quotation, there's one. I skip it. I did jump into the sales invoice. Okay. We go to the sales invoice. We just add only. Okay. I try in use in the master e-invoice. So part, try and see first. Okay. Okay. I issue this one. All the information. Okay. I choose anyone the item code. This is a local company. Okay. When this one key in finish, I need to click save first or request first. Never mind. Either one also okay. If let's say you need to direct to request, you can click the e-invoice button, selected, request e-invoice. You will come out this one message, confirm this one to request e-invoice. If let's say you click yes, it help you auto checking. Why some know anything that affected? You said this one, I don't know. Okay. But the important one is this is information he got fulfilled. So he can direct to submit e-invoice, no problem. But before I submit, make sure this one, the bill, the information must be correct first, before you submit. Because when you submit already, you need to amend anything, you cannot be amend. Why? Because you already submit to government know. So how to solve the solution? Two way only, no? One, I try to submit this one first. Let's say, this one, when you submit, after you process it, will be get it ready the QR. Or so you can print out the e-invoice, the information. The UUID come out, all the things is come out already. QR also got already. Or you can scan it. Okay. So if let's say, oh, this one wrong quantity, I need to change to 2, can or not? Temporary, you see, like can be changed, right? When you click save, it will let you know. This document has been submitted as an e-invoice. The action is not permitted for this document. You cannot be amend already. Why it give you amend? Why you can? Why that you cannot be direct to block? Because we have no block because got the some of the issue like the batch number control, whether e-invoice the thing or posting account. I want to post of the another sales account or whatever thing also can, no problem. Because this field no related for e-invoice. So okay. So the requirement of field based on the e-invoice requirement of field cannot be amended once you already is submitted and ready already. Okay. Okay. Voting. How about this? Can I do cancel or resubmit again? Here got two way. But depends on you lah. I know to be selected for the allow resubmit that one case issue Let's say you still need one, you must be let to your customer know that one the invoice, please cancel and re-inote it. Okay. Don't want to use back this one to issue the invoice because the later on when I doing this one cancel, the UID is already cancelled, not valid already. Okay. So I try to doing this one method first. Try to cancel e-invoice portal and can be allowed resubmit again. I choose in this one anything region. Okay. After that, I click OK. We want to cancel. I say this one cancel. Or it can give you stay can be allowed admin. Then try to request again. If let's say all is complete one, request again. Okay. Maybe you change done already. Or after that, you can try submit again. Okay. So let me see the QR code. We double click the QR, open the browser, show you all. Okay. This is a invoice portal, the summary detail. Just for let you know only, no? The supply name is full. Buy name is full. Total sales amount is how many? Issue date, submission date, and the valid date when. Or just let you know about the status. So the UUID will come out called as based on this one. The UID is called valid or no valid or cancel or other thing. Or we auto count this one. Or okay. When this one I cancel again, allow resubmit or whatever to cancel just now this one I don't want to allow resubmit I direct to cancel it. If I say this one direct cancel it, what is the effect? Can be allowed using or not? Allowed using back this number or not? Because the status already cancelled. You cannot amend anything. Once you cancel this bill already Okay. So this one the status already cancel already. Okay. Refresh again. We can check cancel already. Okay. So the my invoice portal also come out is cancel. Okay. So this is a very simple and common only Okay. So then I how to do? You need to using for this one the same of the information, just number to change only. Let's say for the cancel method one, I add to new document only or you can add to copy the invoice key back only Okay. Like add to new, you already copy all the information already. Or another one, you create the add, you can look from copy from sales invoice, choose which one invoice you want. Okay. sorting the number first. Okay. For today one, I need to copy the cancel one. Okay. One done. I can request. Then to submit again. Okay. Okay. Next, I try to use it for the another one. I try to add the new first. I will let you do this one. Okay, I use it for this one. 7-Eleven Malaysia. When I issue this one invoice, I need to request about the e-invoice. Will come out anything effect to you? Right? What about it? He show you. Please fill in thing. Why? You not fill in thing. You cannot be request e-invoice. Why? Because you not fill in the information complete. Okay? You are not qualified to submit e-invoice. Okay? So you must fill in complete first. Okay? Let's say just now, when you add to new, you're using for the another one company just now like master e-invoice, right? Issue this one. When I choose the request e-invoice, he direct said no answer means you got fulfill all the information particular you can ready to submit. Okay? Okay. So for issue invoice, got any question need to ask about thing? For any question? Understanding for the issue invoice, actually it's a normal one only lah. Or just issue, just get the complete the information can be submit already. Okay. No lah. Okay. So we continue about another one season. Okay. I try to make it to new document more of the thing. Maybe I forget to request. I just save. Add to new, I save. Another one, add to new, I use it for another company. Okay, I try to save. I also add to new, I change to using for another company. Maybe this year I got request. Okay, one more. So one more. One. Save. Okay. A lot of bill I issue already, but got submit or request email or not. I also don't know how many deal. Check. Okay, this one. You go to the inquiry side. You go to the e-invoice. Select the e-invoice just inquiry. Okay. So you just say this month is July, right? I select the choose a July month, then click inquiry. Okay. So this is called the normal status. Normal status means whatever got what's what or also list per part. For the request e-invoice what? Just for got request e-invoice only, haven't submit only. Or we let this filter let you know only, no? Okay. So for the thing at the about list, I don't know, why this one company got information, why don't request? This one maybe you trying to ask your staff or whatever something lah. Maybe you say I don't know, or maybe you say this one don't want to claim. Don't want to claim or not claim, I very confused. If let's say he got fulfill the information, I suggest is directly to submit in all the thing. Or if let's say you just really don't want to submit, okay though, never mind though. We manual checking, select all. Which one don't want to submit, you can. Don't want to take, then click the request e-invoice. Okay. So when you click the request e-invoice, just now not two more the orange color, right? Or orange color we call request e-invoice. So just now say got the three invoice on me. I saw this one just now for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So another one, oh, the right. Why? Go out of the orange color. Yeah. I No. What is a information cannot be request e-invoice status? Or first one you say Rumah please fill in tin. Did not fill in tin. So you know are not qualified to submit e-invoice for these three invoice. Okay. So the rest can be request complete and can be sent or not. We go to the request invoice side. Click inquiry to refresh again. After that, click select all, then to submit. Or make sure all is correct one, you just submit on it. So waiting until have finished only lah. Or okay. So why one thing is a call submitted, I also don't know lah. Later we check and see. We click the inquiry. So you go to number 5 one. This one no number 5 e-invoice 5 invoice that one only. The rest is valid. Why this one just submitted? This one I cannot be answer you also. You don't know also. Let's say maybe it's a case we say like government maybe got a line problem or maybe the hang problem or something will be delayed some of the time. Okay. So if let's say until now you on the spot checking still not valid, you can waiting for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, try to check it again. No? Okay. So this one submitted. I try to check and see. Then you see the right hand side button got the check e-invoice button, right? You can find after it's selected, you click check e-invoice again. Temporary still come out submitted only. You check again. And then you have finished. Okay. So ever know. Okay. So maybe you could let something or valid already. Okay. Valid already. Okay. So you already valid. Okay. So you can print in the invoice QR inside already. Okay. So how about the rest? The rest, no give your full information, detail, all things. How about things? I not sure for your the company side lah. Let's say, no, the information complete. You just issue for sale bill only lah. Sorry, not sale bill. Consolidate invoice Sorry It's not like purchase part, sale part only for the moment. Okay. So this all temporary. This one I don't want because maybe you say I don't want or you need to all thing also can no problem. Okay, you can click select all or based on tick selection also no problem. Okay, or you can highlight jumping this one also can or ever control this one and the last one only also can. How to click this one? Like Microsoft Excel, right? Can we click the control to jumping the number? These two I need to generate consolidate invoice. Okay, but mostly is because even do done all the thing I think should be done now. Okay, this one you can be select all and then can we click generate consolidate e-invoice. How about the auto one? What is mean auto e-invoice? Auto e-invoice is not based on your selected come to generate. Auto one is whenever whichever you got tick selected or not selected will be auto generate to you. See, let's see. I tick auto, the 4 bill already tick auto tick to you and direct to generate to the LSTN side. Okay. For the moment now, I think it's okay. Already consolidated already. Maybe the hang. Okay. So you see the consolidated status temporary none. Okay. Pending submission. Why pending submission consolidate invoice? You can submit again. Okay. Some maybe got the government hang server or your site got hang server, all the thing. You can submit again. Okay. This is for the submit invoice for pending submission only lah. Okay. You will come out the orange color just now. Okay. Okay. Maybe got the server error for LSTN side. I don't know today got process which one anything the information. Okay. Okay, check invoice status. Okay. Try to submit again. Need to waiting. Okay. I think today government got change something. I'm not sure lah. The time is too late lah. Okay. Okay. So okay. So you come out consolidate is ready already. Okay. You try to inquiry again. Consolidate will come out. Okay. So consolidate, can we get the e-invoice the information or not? The QR cannot be get it. Why? Because this is a not fulfilled e-invoice. It's just for the normal invoice only. Okay. Yeah. So those got the submit e-invoice got the valid that one. You can know that this one the information. Wait a moment. 我在停止打 call 你，在停止。对，这里啊。Okay. So, this one you can check about the status of let's say lah, okay. So some those of the submitted whatever haven't pending submit or whatever the not say like stated none or submitted you can go to the email status inquiry, tick selection and check the email status inquiry when you submit already lah. Okay. For the sales side, okay. Okay, one more thing. Just now invoice already done. So at invoice side, got anything question need to ask specific like the consolidate one or invoice one? Got any question need to ask? The rest all got question or not? Any else need to ask some of the question? Okay. So let's say no. We talk about the continue the next season is a credit note at the and the debit note Okay. Customer go ask me some of the question Can I issue CN and the invoice with the same time or not? Well, maybe today I will issue the invoice first, then I never submit. I directly issue CN, can or not? By logic, suppose C cannot. Okay? Because you need to know about the information status, the UID. Okay? Let's say example, I issue the invoice. Okay? Then I maybe got some of the case. Oh, I need to cancel about thing. Like discount some of the thing okay, being discount for what about thing. Maybe call about discount one you get Okay. For about which one invoice? Because government want to know which one the invoice. So you need to select choose up your document information and to give the region. Then when you come save, he will be auto prompt out for this information to you. This original number already is submit an email. Are you sure to submit this document number is to CN? I'm not sure. They say not confident. You can bring the offer. Then you cannot be safe first. You can final thing done or is correct one. You can click save. Okay, you say message again. I click save. Would you like to submit document? Sure or not? Are you sure? Ask you, double confirm again. Sure or not? Maybe you still, I don't confident again. Double back again. Then try to ask. Finally, you ask, make sure it's really correct. You direct click add yes only. He will direct to send to the LSDN. This CN direct to some send it. Okay? So direct to valid already. No? Oh, okay. So for e-invoice, when you issue CN, will be direct to submit to your HDN. Okay. For those uh like before July, they want to bill all the thing. How to do? Okay, we try it and see. The unit price also same. Okay. We choose our invoice number. Like I think I got some of this one, the document number. This one is no e-invoice the status. I try to save it. Okay. Why no function? You see, why this call no function? Because this invoice number 2504004 lah. Okay. 2504004 is no e-invoice status. Maybe you can consolidate. Consolidate we call like the normal invoice, not e-invoice. It's like normal invoice purpose only. So normal invoice we issue for normal CN, but also need to submit or not? This one you must be submit lah. Consolidate also. Oh, so e-invoice sales inquiry side, you inquiry again. See got one bill, right? You see check inquiry not. Let's say this is the previous one, no e-invoice one. You click select all consolidate, you generate consolidate together. Like this one, Okay. Okay. So got anything of the information? Got any question to ask? Okay. So the consolidate CN is like that only, no? Or we will come out the consolidate what is the invoice and the CN only, for those one no e-invoice status. Okay. So how about if let's say I add a new one, choose this one document. Okay. This one the reason. Okay. Another one. You see another one go related e-invoice. Try keying yourself and see. Okay. Why count out this one the purpose? Why to happen? Okay. So I will let you know. The normal invoice and the e-invoice cannot be together. So how to do? Can I know anyone can be answer me this question? How to do this one the status? Let's say go facing this function. Got any idea? If let's say got cannot be mixed together, how to do the CN? Joanne, can we know? Can answer me this question? If let's say got need to issue CN for these two invoice, one is a got e-invoice, one is a no e-invoice, it's consolidate. So we need to how to do this the CN. Any else can be answer me the question? Nobody know. Yeah, rest the CN, yes. You can separate the two document type. Means, yeah, one is all for consolidated purpose. So one e-invoice issue for ECN one, issue the another one CN is a normal invoice one. Normal to normal, e-invoice to e-invoice. So you need to separate two document. Don't want to mix together. So can we say one invoice, one CN for e-invoice purpose? If let's say, can we combine or not? So not just one invoice and one CN only. No, 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 no. Cannot be said like that. If let's say you got 10 invoice number, the 10 invoice number, that one got 8 document invoice number, got the e-invoice one. So two invoice is a no e-invoice one. We can issue 10 CN. By right, also can, no problem. But if let's say don't want two more, you just fill in two CN only. Why? One CN is for include X invoice number got E invoice one. Another one is a no E invoice one called normal invoice one. You fill in two CN enough. You can combine together lah, the concept lah. Oh, but it's a term and condition is a normal invoice to normal CN. E invoice to ECN. Oh, okay. Okay, got a question asked. What happened if we had submitted the invoice, but the next month only have CN? Okay, how should we do it? Mm, I see. The invoice sub you submit is this month. I think maybe I will submit invoice by today, but next month you will be issue CN something lah. Actually, it's a no related one. Oh, because if let's say you're wrong, all the thing is not incurred. How to say not incurred? Okay, we talk about this one, the question information. I go to the page. First thing, you must be understanding about this one, issue as e-invoice. We try to put it out to big. Okay. Question 30. He will ask, do business need to submit an email within the same day within the transaction being made? The answer is there is a not specified requirement on the timing, except in specified case, such as consolidate, sell bill or thing. Okay, we focus for the consolidate first. Consolidate supply and requirement to issue the consolidate within 7 calendar year after the month end. I think you all to be understanding about this one and meaning. Issue when you submit already, or whatever when you want to submit, you must be submit first. Then you will continue the next step. If let's say got anything wrong, you issue CN only. Okay. For the CN purpose, he got give you the timing to submit or not. When you doing the CN or we submit all the thing, I don't know lah. Based on the question. See. The question 39. Does the My Email Portal allow edit information after invoice has been verified IRBM? Okay. The answer ask you is no. The supplier will need to cancel within 72 hours from the verification and reissue new invoice. If let's say this invoice you valid already, so within 72 hours you can directly to cancel. If say more than 72 hours, you directly issue CNDN. So we can say whatever the more than 72 hours or more than 1 month, I don't care. Issue only. We say half year, 1 year, I think it's too over lah. It's a no issue one. You just issue only. Oh, no affected. You just want you want to know about the information. Government need to know your CN status and invoice status, all the thing only. So I think should be no issue for the when you issue the invoice already submit e-invoice next month you issue CN, no incurred related. Or still can submit, still can do, no problem. But the problem is if let's say CN when I submit already, but the the agent say or whatever salesman say, the CN still wrong, the information incorrect. How to do? What's the purpose? Did I say this one? Okay? Okay? How we to do? Did I say this one got problem? Still wrong already. Between 72 hours, we can try to pick cancel, no problem lah. If let's say more than 72 hours, how to do? This one. More than 72 hours, I cannot be do already. How to do? Got anything idea? Can let me know? If let's say this document CN is wrong already, how to do it? Got anything idea or not? No idea. Yes, no idea. I give you idea. Issue DN. Doing back same of the information. Oh, because you wrong already, you issue wrong. You issue back the DN on you. Then issue again the actual one, the wrong information. That one must be changed to be correct. Okay. Okay. So you issue DN, then you issue CN, the appropriate one. Oh, if let's say still wrong again, there's one you must be use the pistol to kill it. Okay. Because every time this one wrong, correct, wrong, correct, I don't know what happened for this invoice already. Maybe this invoice you can call the government to check you. Why? How come one invoice can be issued 4 DN, 5 CN to come here? So this one, you must be answer it. What the problem? We don't know. Maybe you give a proper reason. Why the happen something? CN this one after change to the DN or wrong already. After more than 72 hours change already. Too long of the time. Or you say within 72 hours you can directly cancel, no issue. Government maybe not take more of the action. You say when you more after the 72 hours, you cannot be cancelled. You issue DN, then DN also cannot be cancelled more than 72 hours. 4 and 5 times, I think this one the bill already more than 1 month already the case. Oh, so government must ask you what happened for your this invoice purpose. Oh, so I hope don't facing this one the case issue. If I say issue the CN, you must issue the properly the final one the actual detail. Oh, that day last 3 months I got customer ask me also something. And then last year also got the people ask me already this question because TCN submit already cannot be changed already so we issue DN I will tell him After that he say wrong again so you issue again 2 more times. He say government had checked you or not. I will answer them. I temporarily I don't know. You have to don't ask to the government check you. Oh, okay. So for anything, got a question need to ask for the invoice CNDN. So just now they want to question the CN for understanding. Okay, okay. If let's say understanding about the CN, the status, invoice, the status already, the sales part is done already, okay. Okay, so next, how about the purchase one? Actually, purchase one is a normal concept only, Okay, I using for another one database to show you. I just now got issue one about invoice can be using for this one to key in the method one. Okay, I using another database to make it first. Why to make it? Because we try to using for this one the sales invoice. Also using for just now you got issue the E-invoice, right? For the right one, right? For this one, the company. Okay. I will get about the UUID first. So how to get? Maybe you're using for the QR to scanner, right? Oh, so we importantly to take about this one, the information only. Okay, what for what purpose? Ah, what purpose? Another database will help you. Okay. If let's say we need to know this document is already is e-invoice or not. We don't know lah. So we try to add inside the behind there got the arrow key one, right? You can click import my invoice supplier. For those no PO, GRN, all the thing, you can direct fill it in here. This EI example show you. I copy paste the UID to come here. Or to click to the load. Can we load about the information detail? Just now that one the master Jack Trading got issue bill me, right? Jack Trading bill me the information product. I just choose the product code. This one good, I think. Okay. Then fill in your text code or whatever something. Or then after that, add to purchase invoice. All the information have already. So after that, the more header side got the supply invoice UID already copy paste in here. So when you save, this one already stated is a e-invoice already. No issue. Okay. So if let's say for those is a invoice transfer to the sorry, PO transfer to GRN, GRN transfer to the purchase invoice side. How to do? You look for only, just choose your product code, okay? Fill in the pricing only, right? If let's say you transfer come lah, I just manually add new lah, okay? So you go to the more header side, you copy paste of the invoice UUID, either that save again, also will come out very also. Oh, okay? Because the document is already is a e-invoice already ma. Oh, okay? So we just copy this one the address to verify. Why need to do too much? I don't know lah. This one later on, government need to check which one got email or not email. I also don't know lah. You need to what about the listing? Or maybe in the purchase invoice listing side, we can get up the for the information. So if let's say he need to ask you to list out the UID, you can list out all the thing. Then export to the Excel. Give them there to check it only lah. Okay. The field how to take. We go to the right click, field chooser, take the field, the sum of the status detail like e-invoice, supply invoice UID, status LSDN. You can know about V1 status. Okay. This is called for another company. He give you the like this one the format. Okay. Maybe the upside or bottom side got this one QR. You can try to scan it. Or you all can be try to scan it to your phone. Or also this one no issue. Or okay. You can scan it. This one the QR code inside got what happened, how to copy the UID, the one. Or if let's say you got the to this scanner, you can scan to your go to the website to scan in only how to scan it. Let's say you got a 2D barcode scanner you can go to the website, create a new one, and then use the 2D barcode scanner to scan it on it. Then will come up the this one like this one the web page the information. Or then you try to copy to your computer, paste to your master only. Or copy paste only Or okay. This is a normal the supplier could give you the e-invoice the data information Okay. So next one, those the supplier no give you the e-invoice information like the rental case or purchase invoice for foreign company that site how to do. We go to the purchase invoice also. Okay. First one is using for purchase invoice. Purchase invoice can be key in. Okay. Or you transfer come. Okay. maybe I doing for the USD supplier, okay? Item code, okay? And number one, we purchase for this product information, okay? So after that, all the information must be filled in up completely there, huh? Okay? So I try to make it request sell bill. Can be request or not? Can. Okay, no problem, all right? Another one, I try to add another one. Let's say some of information I left you in. Okay, I try to request it and see. Please fill in the phone number. Oh, so you must be fill in the document detail. Then you can be submit sell bill. Okay. Okay. So this one is for sell bill concept lah. Need to request. What is the calculation I using now? A template I said 036 lah. Suppose it's a 034 lah. Let's say for import one lah. Import goods one lah. Okay. In fact, I check first because I try to visual and use it for another case issue. Okay. Suppose it's a 034 lah. Okay. For the importation good. Okay. Okay. So I can direct to submit this one or not? Sell bill? Can. Or one shot can or not? You go to the E-invoice sell bill. We click the inquiry. Okay. Okay. Just now I got issue two bill, right? Why just come out one bill only? I don't know, right? Okay. First thing, this one got request E-invoice. This one no request. So how come cannot be sold out in here? Yeah, this is called about just for request sell bill only. Those for request in the purchase invoice only will come out only. If let's say this one suppose need to request, but the no request one, no same like the sales part lah, Sales part, whatever, got the E-invoice or no E-invoice, come out with later. Purchase one no come, different meaning, because purchase got the many option of the term. Why? Because supplier already got E-invoice, you just keep it track only, no? Another one issue is just now government got change the rules. Below 500,000 can be exempted E-invoice. So many story about it. Some of the people can no need to exempt it. Also cannot be issued by the sell bill because sell bill just for the 10 category for special case only. Like the 4D Toto, like the rental, or like the import goods, import service, or some of the thing of the part only. 10 category case. Or so it's not like that. Everyone is like, oh, you not give me the E-invoice, I sell bill you. Not give Anna, you also not give me, I sell bill you. Cannot. Because you go in the store or you go to the order the Grab car to travel to the another location. I ask you, hey, can you give me the passport number or IC number to me? They want to ask me why you need my the IC number or passport number. Why? Because I need to sell bill you. It's logical or not? No, right? Oh, so temporary government also got to talk about the FAQ. It's a no requirement for the let's say temporary. No, can we get 100% the sell bill? And never mind. Temporary on the at the moment request the normal receipt or normal invoice temporary also can. Oh. So here is a FAQ for the scope of the question or the part of the this. So you can study of the FAQ, the question. But the FAQ question is not like the maintain to be long. If let's say got to update the list one and new the update one, you can review it. Go to the website to check it out. I think got the news one, got update one, we auto change the title only lah. Oh, okay. So it will change the date. So what is the update one? Some of the blue color, some of black color, you need to check and see what happened in or for the status, okay? So this one, how to do? Because you know request sell bill, you just check a request sell bill, okay? So then you try to inquiry again. come out two bill. So you can one shot submit or not? Can. Select all, one shot submit only. Okay. Okay. How come stated this one is none? Check and see. Why? I'm not sure what happened. Check again. So submit again. Check what happened. Verification error. You come out say error. Why error? Why error? I'm not sure. Try and see. Check. See what is the error issue. Minimum length of egg character of the byte supplier. Why this question come up? This one I already told you. Some of the thing. Phone number must be 8 digit. Here just now how many only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less 1 digit. Okay. So you must remember. If let's say some of the less of the digit, the information will come out this one the error. Okay. When you submit done already, will be correct one. Oh, okay. So phone number minimum 8 digit. This one I will be try to test to you all how what's the happen. Oh, okay. So remember now, phone number must be minimum 8 digit. Let's say don't know the number, you will just fill in the 8 0 only lah. Okay. Okay. So cell bill already done. All the cell bill already inside. How about debit note, credit note? Same for the sale part. You submit sale bill first, then if let's say got some of the case, got the return or discounting, you issue the purchase credit note or debit note on the concept. Oh, debit note is all overcharge only lah. Okay. Undercharge only. Sorry. Oh, the credit note is a discount or return only case purpose. Okay. So you must be know about the sale bill concept. Okay. So at the moment, got the E-invoice part, I already mentioned of the thing lah. Okay. For the basic guideline for the sale bill, for purchase part, got anything information need to ask about status first before I not go to the another one the season. Got any question need to ask? No know all the thing, the information okay. So for another one, sale bill got the under other special case okay. We already got the video lah, all the thing lah okay. So you can go to the GL site, go to the cash book. Okay. Cash book, what happened? This one. Maybe later I will show you about video lah. Okay. I maybe you can go to the YouTube site to subscribe my the Microsoft the web page Okay. Okay. I show you. Cash book payment got what the function? Sale bill repayment. What is mean the sale bill repayment? We can direct doing the payment voucher, direct one shot submit e-invoice, sale bill. Oh, okay. But the document number you can set up. Maybe you need to clarify sale bill for sale bill number or purchase even normal purchase number also can no problem. You can create more of the sale bill number to auto run. How to create sale bill to auto run? Go to the master, maintain document number, check your purchase invoice number. What is the number there? Okay. Bill, CI, they want. Okay. I need to create one more bill. Is under sale bill, even can or not? And no problem. Up to you only. They say need to separate out lah. Sale bill for sale bill case. Even with even number. You need to separate to continue auto run. Okay, no problem. Okay. You list out sale bill. Invoice. Okay. You need to short form like this one. SBI also okay. Need to by date format also okay. How many digits? Slash also 1 to 4 digit or whatever thing. Up to you. How do you make it the design? Okay, I will say. Okay. So I go to the cash book, sale bill repayment. I can choose the reset the document number to auto run. Like example, I want to opt the rental. Okay. Maybe I using for this one, the number lah. This is information okay. Supposedly this one got the TIN number. Okay. So IC got the TIN number, right? Okay. So it's called about sale bill. I changed to this one. Supposedly this one is under 036 other. Rental is under is a 036. Okay. So what is about status for the expenses code? Okay. You can fill in rental. No? Okay. Example, just now title we call about rental, right? Office rental. Office rental. Because I check trading here to the this one. No? Okay. So I issue the rental together issue what is a voucher 5,000 ringgit. Okay. Then I will try to click to generate. Okay. Here side save type. What is mean of a call save type? You can save of the this one the says submit e-invoice or whatever settings on it lah. Okay. So you can click generate. Okay. So will be auto help you to generate this one to invoice to you and the voucher you can print together already lah. Oh, okay. This is a shorting way to submit sale bill and together with payment voucher. Shortcut way only lah. But the term and condition is a one voucher, one expense code only. Cannot be multiple expense code. Okay? One by one only. Okay? So, more of the thing, maybe I go to the YouTube. You can go to the YouTube to search. Okay? Maybe the sell bill one consolidated sell bill can be known about the term and condition Okay? Okay, let's solve. Okay. In Google search, you go to the MSO solution, you can subscribe. In beside, we got the some of the video part of the here. Oh, so I show you about the cancellation and then the consolidate e-invoice and sell bill repayment. What is mean consolidate e-invoice? You can try to read it. I show you the video. You try and see first. Okay, this is all the sample video, the guideline. Maybe this video will be fast. I will send the link to your group site. You can slowly do viewing of the term and condition. But at the pointing, I will let you know, consolidate sale bill is not 100% need to clear it all. Like example, we clear in about the like more of the entry that are doing something. This one is a June and July. Okay. Office rental and pay water, all is a June one, right? Okay. I said check June. Okay. For office rental and PVA or whatever something, if let's say got the other thing, the expenses, maybe like the stationery or everything, temporary normal is a pay water only. No need to 100% need to clear it all the consolidate. Based on the just now we call about say consolidate sell bill just for 10 categories need to sell bill only. Or 10 categories need to sell bill only. But this a consolidate sell bill is we call about the don't know about the who fund people need to how to bill to who just for console at the moment. But suppose is temporary only because government not say cannot be consolidated. Right. So at the moment, all the thing for the consolidated sell bill is for the maybe still can be do, but need to sell bill. But no one no know the people want to just normal issue the consolidated only based on the special case purpose only. Okay. If let's say those already know the document information, you need to issue the sale bill based on that guide the person. Oh, these three of the PMB, PBA or rental or whatever thing, the telephones others is for like example of the concept only because bill is who is under the landlord purpose or whatever something. Or maybe he don't know, he temporarily want to consolidate first before two part of the conceal all the information can be get it or not. Okay. So this is for the basic only. Or I hope consolidate less use. Or because most of the people will just in only right? CLBO, your government the guideline ever come out to completely, we just temporarily to console only. At the moment, the rest period for 6 months. Oh, okay. So other thing, I got send the link all the thing how to submit the e-invoice, the sale bill that one. Okay. And then the within 72 hours to cancel the site, all the thing. You can review in my video and the subscribe it. Okay. When we got the new the video come in, we can show because at the moment we just record the some of the video for the important case only not all the full like training the procedure Oh, okay. So got any question need to ask for the today the email purpose? Yes and no. Maybe today we can stop all about thing all the information of the email already for sell e-invoice, consolidate e-invoice, sale bill, and consolidate option. Got anything question need to ask before we all the end the season? Got any question or not? Connie, Jasmine, all the thing. Got any question? No So if let's say no, at the moment no Okay, good Oh, you need to try to doing all the thing. You admit everyone if let's say like not understanding, you can try to in message. Oh, and then the link I already sent to the WhatsApp group already, right? Oh, can. It's no problem. Oh, okay. So and then of the link of the the YouTube link, I will send your group site or you can try to review some of the information of the status. Okay. Okay. So final thing is remember E-invoice submission time don't be last minute or what this mean don't be last minute. The FAQ say question 30, right? Question 30. I check in the question 30. Okay, question 30 is say there is not specified requirement, right? Yeah, it's any we can say like anytime for the E-invoice one. For consolidate, he just give you the 7 calendar day after the month end. So before new the month of the 7 calendar day of the month, okay? So it means you must be settle last month all the status for consolidate. But I don't want to 7 calendar day lah. Okay, I need to within 3 calendar day after the month end lah. Why? Later on, server got any hang or something for the government side lah. You delay already, you late submit already, right? So I hope and we can be earlier to settle it all the consolidate purpose. Okay. E-invoice also prefer also based on the month settle it lah. Because later on you must be forget the previous month got anything pending the settle or not. Okay. Okay. If let's say all thing is correct, done already, please go to the E-invoice sales inquiry the site. Okay. If let's say confirm all the thing is done already, no any pending issue, don't want to add new one, you can lock the E-invoice period. Okay. So what it means, if let's say lock this one, the July one, when he want to add new the invoice one, can be or not? I try and see, cannot already, right? Oh, so you must be know this one the status. Oh, so you can issue for August only. Oh, because later on you miss out all the invoice status, all the month already. Later on, government say, oh, you one still haven't submit e-invoice, you will be kena penalty. Oh, what happened? Invoice kena penalty because you one bill you haven't submit until she tangkap you. Okay, so hope you can be understanding better. If let's say no any changes, all the thing of the month, settle all the thing. After 7th of July, you need to lock the period to them. Don't want to let the people to doing lah. Oh, okay. So how about purchase? Can we do or not? Right, yeah. Try and see. Purchase is a no issue. Okay. If let's say for this one, can request your bill or not? No issue. Why? Why say no issue? Because the question is answer you for the sale bill case, ma. Sale bill got the term and condition. Sale bill is for importation good of Malaysia purchases are requirement to issue sale bill. Latest by the second month following the month of the custom period is obtained. So it got special case. And then the import service also got the special case only. The rest for CS one, no. Okay. So you must be understanding about the FAQ, the term and condition concept. Then you will know how to make it your system issue the sales invoice and purchase invoice lah. Okay. So understand over it to all lah. Okay. So at the moment, if let's say no anything, we can stop this trading today. Okay. Still got any question before ending the season? The rest got any question? So the rest, no any question, huh? If let's say got any question, no any question, you please click no. Let me know. Got any question or not for everyone? Okay. If let's say no, we talk about the any season today lah, huh? Okay. Nas in here or not? Nas got inside or not? Who is a record video today? Oh, wait here. Okay. Okay. So I will end the season today lah, now lah, huh? Okay. You will try save the record this one video lah, huh? To them lah, huh? Okay. Okay. Yes, we end of the season today. Thank you for everyone to join this one, the e-invoice class. Or anything, you let me know lah, huh? Okay. For any question can be sent to the group. Okay. Okay. Thank you,